How's it going today, guys? Welcome back by the channel. Appreciate you stopping by. My name is William, and of course you're at W&W Mods. Today's video was going to be installing some new parts on the 2 SS, but unfortunately we didn't get a delivery today, and I found out that our parts have been delayed until the later part of next week, which, you know, isn't a big deal breaker, but I really would have liked to have had them today so I could have done an unboxing and then we could install these new items. I hope you guys, I'm not going to tell you what they are right now, but I hope you guys will like them. I debated for quite some time whether I was going to do this to the car, but I think I am. So we're going to give it a try. But for now, the new ZL1 carbon fiber front splitter was installed, and I purchased that at American Authority. You can find all their products at AmericanAuthority.com. They didn't sponsor this video, although I do buy a lot of products from them. It'd be nice if they would one day, but that's something we can talk about at a later point. Today, since we don't have the parts to work on the car, we're going to take a little tour around my hometown with the drone and the GoPros. We're going to play a little music, and we're going to show my girlfriend, who is from the Philippines, born and raised in the Philippines, and she's moved now to Hong Kong, and she's kind of stuck there. I can't go over, she can't leave. So I'm going to show her what it's like to live in my small town, and I'm sure she's going to get one big culture shock after living in Hong Kong for the last 10 years. And we all know, everybody's seen pictures of it, the buildings go on for miles. I mean, it's a beautiful city, but she's stuck there right now, and there's nothing we can do about it. So I'm going to do this video, show her what it's like. Hopefully it won't scare her off. Known her for almost 2 years now, right at 2 years. So she pretty well knows she likes green grass and she likes trees. So we got plenty of that here. So, guys, sit back. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. And hey, if you're really, really feeling good about it, hit that post notification icon to let you know. It'll let you know every time we put up some new content on the channel. But enough talk. Say goodbye to the Camaro for right now. Let's get busy. All right, everybody, we got the cameras on the truck, mounted, ready to go. You can see there's one on the front and there's one on the back, and it's time to get on the road. So let's go. And if you look up back that way, that's toward the traffic circle. I'm going to take the drone up and do some aerial shots of the river, the traffic circle, kind of give Riza a layout of how the rivers run through our town. She, when she found out that I was coming to the river, she told me, she asked me, she said, are there any anacondas here? And I'm like, no, there are no anacondas here. Rattlesnakes, brown snakes, black snakes, rat snakes, whatever you want to call them, water moccasins, yeah, but we're sorely lacking on pythons. Of course, she's she's used to living in a place that has pythons. So if I see a python down here, somebody's going to be in trouble, and it's probably going to be me. But no pythons from me today. So guys, let's get the drone up, get some aerial shots. It's that ZL1 carbon fiber splitter from American Authority, guys. Thought I'd give you one more look at it, because if you missed our last video, we were putting this on. We're taking the old broken one off, which is right here, and put this one back on. So this was in our last video. If you didn't see it, check it out. Well guys, that's going to just about do it for this particular video. It was a little quick lap around the city, stopping by with the drone and taking some aerial shots of the Dan and the Smith River. We're back here in the garage now. We're just about ready to call it a night. Don't forget, we've got more parts ordered for the Camaro, and they should be in by Friday. I wish they'd been here sooner, but unfortunately, it's gonna be Friday. So Now to put that off for a week, but like I say, when we get those in, we'll do an unboxing, show you what they are, and then we'll do an install video on those. So, like I said earlier, this one is just for Riza, to give her some kind of idea of what this little town looks like that I live in. And like I say, she's from the Philippines and she's been living in Hong Kong for 10 years now. So she's probably going to get a real big culture shock when she comes from big city Hong Kong to small town USA. But with all that being said, she likes grass, she loves trees, says she likes the beach. Well, we've got 2 out of 3, and we can drive a little ways for the beach if we just absolutely have to. So guys, stay tuned for our upcoming videos. And if you haven't already, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and tap on that notification bell so you'll know every time we put up a new video. So guys, thanks for watching. And like always, we'll see you on the next one.